Togg, Turkey's car manufacturer that wants to be a solid contender in the global electric car market, showcased the production version T10F at the Munich Motor Show. The rollout is an important milestone for the company, as both the T10F and already announced T10X will enter the German market, confirming plans for penetrating one of the most challenging EV markets in the European continent. Since its first preview last year, the T10F has gone from concept to production and still maintained so much of the far-out beauty of previous concepts. Even after an initial impression, the production model is amazingly true to the CES concept, although with a somewhat more down-to-earth execution, more appropriate to road duty. The T10F takes on a 5-door liftback shape, combining functionality with clean design proportions. Front fascia is determined with an electric car signature shut-off grille and slender LED headlights, giving a sense of modern and technological appearance. Set below the headlights are angled daytime running lights and shaped air intakes offering visual and aerodynamic relevance. Its verbal side profile also represents the car's aerodynamic emphasis, with a 0.24 drag coefficient that places it on the performance level of the most aerodynamically developed cars in its segment. The look can also be personalized by customers with a black roof that contrasts with the body as an option, with wheel sizes from 17 to 19 inches that augment the overall presence of the car. Dimensionally, the T10F is 190.2 inches long and shares a 113.8-inch wheelbase. For comparison, it is 4.3 inches longer than a Tesla Model 3, but only 0.6 inches more rearward of that of its US counterpart. This dimensional strategy provides the T10F more road presence without being too unwieldy. Slide in, and the T10F has an interior that will wow tech-savvy buyers. The interior features a massive digital display package consisting of a 12-inch gauge cluster, supplemented by a 29-inch streaming entertainment screen along the dash. This oversized screen interface is accompanied by a second 8-inch control screen lower on the center console, providing the driver with a cockpit-like environment said to be similar to that used in a modern fighter plane. Even in its base form, the T10F provides an out-of-balance package of amenities consisting of a 6-speaker audio system, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a spacious cargo compartment of 17.8 cubic feet. For those who want a bit more personality, upper-range premium trims take the interior experience to new heights with green materials and luxury amenities. These are vegan leather seating surfaces, a wireless charging pad, and a 12-speaker Meridian premium audio system providing high-fidelity sound. Other comfort features, such as heated front and rear seats and mood-matching ambient lighting systems, also get the model on an even footing with established European competitors in the segment. Driver and safety assistance is another strength of the T10F. Added across the line on all models are advanced emergency braking, forward collision alert, and intelligent adaptive cruise with stop-and-go capability. Added assistance like emergency lane keeping, high beam assist, traffic sign recognition, and front and rear parking sensors round out a comprehensive list of safety features. This aid system era also speaks to Togg's focus on protection and convenience for drivers, areas that become increasingly important with a more regulated EU landscape. In terms of performance, the T10F can be tuned in various ways to suit a variety of purposes. The standard car is a rear motor layout with 214 horsepower and 258 pound-feet torque. The buyers have a choice of a pair of battery packs, a 52.4 kilowatt-hour or even larger 88.5 kilowatt-hour pack. The smaller packs provide a maximum of 217 miles on the WLTP test cycle, and with the larger battery, that rises to a staggering 387 miles. Acceleration is not bad, the rear-wheel drive taking 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds. Charge performance is also similar. The model offering 180 kilowatt DC fast charging that can charge 20 to 80% in 28 minutes. More power and grip are on the horizon, thanks to the T10F V2 AWD adding a second dual-motor all-wheel drive model. It takes power up to 429 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, and chops 0 to 62 miles per hour down to a sprint of 4.1 seconds. But the economy suffers with the performance gain, with driving range falling to 325 miles on the WLTP test cycle. Nevertheless, the model brings the T10F as appealing to green purchase-preferred buyers as it does to buyers who will appreciate exciting-to-drive dynamics. The launch in Germany of the T10F is strategically critical. Germany is symbolic and pragmatic as a launch platform for Togg, since not only is the market one of the world's top automaker homelands, but it also boasts one of Europe's most solidified EV infrastructures. And to win here will be an endorsement of the brand's potential and a chance to occupy a niche in a market dominated by traditionally entrenched players. In addition, the marriage of competitive range, technology-driven interiors, and safety-focused engineering creates a car that will be capable of stirring up some excitement among European consumers who expect the best. Togg has heralded with the production-ready launch of the T10F that it is set to play in the global arena. Togg has heralded with the production-ready launch of the T10F that it is set to play in the global arena. With its aerodynamically formed body, powertrain option, high-tech cabin features, and sophisticated safety package, the vehicle is an economically rational balance of function and technology. Far more than just another new car, the T10F is a bid to place Turkey on the international EV discussion map, with aspirations that extend far beyond the local marketplace.